What if I told you that your most creative composing years are waiting after 60? At 60, I faced a pivotal moment: continue a lucrative commercial banking career or risk everything to reignite my composing passion. Today, I'm revealing 3 breakthrough strategies that transform my self doubt into rock solid confidence that I could rebuild my career as a successful composer. Curious how decades of life experience can become your ultimate musical superpower? Stay tuned as I show you exactly how to silence your inner critic and create a remarkable second act in a youth-dominated industry. Your composing comeback starts now. Let's first talk about that nagging voice in your head, the one that asks, is my music still relevant? Am I too old to start again? Or what about learning all that tech? I've been there. I'd like to share a story that took place back in 2007, which is probably one of the most memorable years in my musical career. I had the opportunity to score numerous films while my sheet music publishing company was flourishing, bringing in over $20,000 net annually. Alongside this, I was performing my world music across the United States. Then the 2008 recession hit hard. Slashing my income, I pivoted to commercial banking, lured by stability, financial security, 401k plan, and for 16 years, I ignored my true calling in music. And at the end of 2022, I moved my family to Arizona to care for my wife's aging parents, which triggered depression and soul-searching. Then Tony Robbins' Time to Rise Summit became my turning point. It forced me to confront my limiting beliefs. How do I overcome self-doubt? Is my music still relevant? Where's my roadmap for success? Can I adapt to new technologies? The summit sparked my personal transformation, but the strategies I'm sharing today are from my direct experience as a composer in overcoming self-doubt. To build my momentum, I delved into 12 trunks located in my garage that were filled with musical ideas collected over decades since my childhood. I was amazed at the creativity captured on everything from toilet paper to cardstock and manila envelopes, essentially anything I could find to write on. Find your old compositions no matter where they're hidden. And as I sifted through my work, I said to myself, I am a composer. So immerse yourself in your past creations to reignite your musical fire and reclaim your identity as a composer. I viewed this as a new adventure I owned, shifting my perspective to see this as an exciting new chapter in my life. And then with help, I built a modest home studio. I carved out a space for my music. I even changed my screensavers to display empowering mantras. My music is relevant. Take massive action. Master new tools. Embrace today's technology. Surround yourself with these affirmations and reinforce your composer identity daily. Remember, these steps aren't just about looking back. They're about propelling you forward into your musical comeback. Now, every composer's path is different, and that's why I created a tailored exercise to help you transform your doubts into musical momentum. The 5-step limiting belief breakthrough exercise. Download the free 5-step limiting belief breakthrough exercise worksheet in the description below. This powerful tool will help you identify, challenge, and overcome the limiting beliefs holding back your musical career. Don't just watch, take action, and start your transformation today. Next, we're diving into a powerful confidence-building exercise, writing your marketing resume. Now, a marketing resume is a self-reflection exercise that will help you discover your keywords, craft a compelling mission statement, and define your ideal client. These are crucial elements for any musician's career. I'll walk you through how I use this method, combined with some AI assistance that help me uncover my unique musical strengths, craft a compelling mission statement, and define my ideal client with laser precision. So I want you to think of your marketing resume as your professional musical autobiography, a living document that captures your entire creative journey. Now, you may create multiple versions targeting different domains, musical domains like film scoring or education, perhaps as a performing artist, or even a sheet music publisher like myself. The goal? Give AI enough raw material to uncover your unique professional DNA, showcasing how your diverse experiences have shaped you into a multifaceted musician. Start with your header, your name and contact information, your professional identity's front door, followed by your musical personality. Use bold descriptors and concise action statements. Who are you as a creative professional? Next, your professional landscape, your honors and awards, your educational background, your skills, and don't forget to highlight the valuable skills you gained from your daytime job during economic downturns. These experiences are part of your unique professional story and can set you apart in your musical comeback. And finally, tell your story for each credit, whether they be in TV and film, sheet music achievements, recordings, additional awards, even podcast appearances if you have them. Next, prompt Perplexity, Google's innovative AI platform to supercharge your insights. We're going to ask AI the following prompt. My top 5 professional keywords that best represent my skills and experience. An ideal client profile based on my expertise and background. And a concise mission statement that captures my professional goals and values. Now here's what AI produced for me within seconds. My ideal client. My mission statement. My top 5 keywords. Now, I understand I went through these slides quickly, but feel free to pause the video at certain sections if you'd like to take a closer look at my results. The key point I'm making is that using AI has transformed my background from being scattered to becoming more strategic. Remember, consider weaving together all your musical pursuits into a tailored single marketing resume. You will uncover hidden strengths and unexpected connections in your artistic DNA. Remember, in the music industry, your diverse experiences aren't scattered puzzle pieces. They're the foundation of your unique value. Embracing your strengths and values will bring clarity to your career, momentum, help you stand out, build confidence, and demonstrate how adaptability ensures relevance in today's ever-changing musical landscape. In my Chart Your Musical Comeback playlist, I'll show you how to use your keywords, your mission statement, and your ideal client profile to build a website that screams, "This is me." Create content that magnetizes your ideal audience. Turn social media into your professional playground. And cultivate a dedicated community of passionate supporters who deeply understand and connect with your musical evolution. Your brand isn't what you do, it's who you are. Ready to start? Download the PDF template from the description box below and use it to create your marketing resume, your mission statement, your ideal client profile, and top 5 keywords. This is your next step towards your composing comeback. Now let's address the tech elephant in the room. Yes, the music industry is tech-driven, and it must seem daunting if you've been away. But here's the truth. Technology boosts creativity. It streamlines production, and it connects you globally. It's your secret weapon, not your enemy. The feeling overwhelmed? I've been there. Let me share how I conquered tech fears with a practical approach that'll work for you too. Hire a local music student to set up your home studio. I did exactly this with Jesse Hagan, a talented student from my community. One call to the local music department transformed my entire tech approach, instantly simplifying what seemed overwhelming. Jesse transformed my tech anxiety by helping me build a budget-friendly home studio, purchasing essential gear for a basic home studio setup, a computer, audio interface, DAW, microphone, and headphones. He guided me through essential equipment selection and introduced affordable online learning platforms such as Groove 3, which has a very affordable yearly price tag that gives you unlimited access to the best video courses, digital books, and music lessons. And Udemy. Simply type, for example, Logic Pro in the Udemy search engine, and all the courses to learn Logic Pro appear. Wait for their sales, which can greatly reduce cost to $20. These 2 platforms alone will make music technology accessible and manageable. Always remember, technology is just the amplifier. Your musical imagination is the true source of your magic. Your unique creativity, the melodies dancing in your mind, that's the most powerful asset you'll ever possess. These tech tools, they're simply here to help you translate the music already living inside you. Remember, genius isn't in the gear. It's in your soul. Your creativity is the spark. Technology, it's just the lighter. Consider reaching out to your local school's music department to collaborate with a talented student for your home recording projects and development. Ask yourself, what benefits or challenges do you think could arise from inviting fresh perspectives into your creative space? Please leave a comment below with your own experience with student collaborations and if this lesson takes the fear out of bringing in outside help. So let's review the 3 items I discussed with you today. In this video, we dismantled self-doubt through 3 powerful strategies. The limiting belief breakthrough exercise, identify your internal barriers, challenge negative narratives, reframe your professional potential. the Marketing Resume Toolkit, where you define your unique mission, clarify your ideal client, and establish your professional keywords, and Technology Transformation, embrace collaborative learning, bridge generational skill gaps, and prove creativity has no age limit. I have a bonus for you, because the 3 topics I discussed are some of the many tasks you can do to overcome self-doubt and limiting beliefs. Some of them may appeal to you and some may not align with your mindset. For that reason, I created a workbook in my Composer Comeback system called Mastering the Art of Reinvention Workbook, your ultimate comeback companion. This isn't just another guide. It's your strategic roadmap to professional transformation. Our free workbook delivers 14 transformative lessons designed to systematically dismantle self-doubt through daily confidence-building strategies. It's a practical, actionable roadmap that helps you build a supportive network, tackle professional challenges, and rediscover your musical purpose. Crafted exclusively for seasoned composers, this toolkit deconstructs professional transformation into practical, bite-sized actions. In my next video, join Platinum Award-winning pop composer, lyricist, and engineer Mark Kiefner and me as we reveal how partnering with an accountability partner can fuel unstoppable career momentum. We'll share our foundational strategies, from rescoring iconic television titles to crafting a customized Excel spreadsheet that helped us capture every opportunity and keep our music top of mind with clients. Learn how our weekly Zoom sessions and detailed agenda revolutionized our approach. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and get ready to embark on your comeback journey. After all, what's the greatest story in humanity? It's the comeback. A tale of resilience, a tale of triumph, one that we can all be a part of. And remember to hit the bell icon to stay updated on all of our latest videos and insights. I'll see you in the next video.